Hi friends, I've been getting a couple of questions about the Busy Squirrel CVC Word Ladder. So I decided to just do a video and kind of show you how it works. I'm going to do the first couple to give you an example, and then you can go ahead and do the rest on your own. And I believe we also have one for tomorrow, so hopefully this will help you figure out both of them. So here's how this works. When you look at the ladder, here's where most of our friends are getting confused. Everybody's wanting to start up here at the top. But if you think about a real ladder, when you have a ladder you want to climb up, you start at the bottom and go up to the top. So that's what you're supposed to be doing here. You're starting from the bottom and then you're making your way up to the top. Now this CVC, that stands for consonant, vowel, consonant. So that means that each word is going to have a consonant, then a vowel in the middle, and a consonant on the end. The kiddos should be familiar with what that means because we did quite a bit of practice with that before all this quarantine stuff started. So that part should be something that your kids are fairly familiar with. So here's how this works. It starts out giving us the word cat. So we could stretch that out, at, cat. Then it goes up to the next step on the ladder, and it has 3 lines. That means that there are going to be 3 letters, and it gives you a picture. Well, what is that a picture of? That's a hat. So we have we're moving from cat to hat. What letters do I need to change to make that into hat? Well, if you say those both together, cat, hat, both words have an at the end. So you're going to put A-T, at. But the only letter that needs to change is the C. So we have hat. We know that's H. So we change the C to an H to make the word at, hat. So we go from cat to hat. On our next one, it gives us a picture. Here's another part where everybody was getting really confused. This is actually a picture of a ham. So it's not a sweet potato, it's not a log. This is a ham. So I'm sorry if that picture was a little confusing. I probably should have thought that one out better, but it's okay. So that's a ham. So you're going to think about what letters do you need to change on the next step to make the word ham. Well, we have a, We still have our and our a, but then what sound is at the end? So there's an M. So we went from cat, we changed the C to an H to make hat. Then we got to ham by changing the T to an M. So it goes cat, hat, ham. Then you're just going to go up and do the rest of them. Each one has either pictures or a little sentence to kind of help you figure out what that word is supposed to be. So this one has a picture here, and you would figure out what letters do you need to change to make this is a ram. So what letters do you need to change from here to make the word ram? And it just goes up. You change a letter to make it match the picture for each word. So hopefully this helps this make more sense for you. If you still have questions, feel free to message me and just ask. But for now, hopefully this video clears up some of the confusion. Thank you. Bye.